watch it. Now I ain't talking my pockets, just know we ain't running out the way that we stock it. If I got it, you got it. If I call it, she slide and tell her to mop it. Yeah, I got that on. Damn, she took that thing off and bring it around. Going at it till I'm on. Put that 90 in.
This is Josh from Magic Skateboard Media. We out here in Mission Bay, California for a Rexone car meet. Yeah, we got to mix it up. We got to do something a little different. So we out here, sunny San Diego, bringing out all the dope Hondas. So you know it, we'll see what turns up. There's always multiple gems, especially from the Honda generation, because it goes back so far. So we got such a variety of Hondas that you can't go wrong. So let's get it.
I'm beating it down, I'm back in that bag again. Whoa, whoa, oh say less. I'm back in that bag again. Yeah, yeah. Oh say less. I'm back in that. Yeah. What you doing? Yeah, yeah. I'm back in that. Hey, where you going?
Hey, hey, back in that bag again. To bring me around your friends, you know that I'm bagging them. Request me on Facebook, no I ain't adding them. Positions I had her in, hit from the back, that was splattering. Calling her friend, tell her pull up. Word, let's make it a gathering. They loving that
baby, nah, I'm addict now, but she loving the splash again. I just be cashing in her buns, just like a wedding, I'm crashing in. Hundreds on hundreds, I'm moving and grooving. She wanna cut up, I'ma slash again. Buckets on buckets, I'm switching edition. Back in my bag, going back again.
I feel like Aladdin, yeah. I'm on the carpet, flying through orbits, ain't doing no talking. Wow. They on my body as soon as I walk and be stalking. They loving the drip, they think I'm a force, it gotta move cautious. Back in my duffel, I'm working a double like I'm in the office.
Tell them to watch it, now I ain't talking my pockets, just know we ain't running out the way that we stock it. If I got it, you got it. If I call it, she slide and tell her to mop it. Yeah, I got that on. Damn, she took that thing off and bring it around. Going at it till I'm on. Put that 90 in a hole, I'm beating it down. I'm back in that bag again. Whoa, whoa, oh say less. I'm back in that bag again. Yeah, yeah. Oh say less. I'm back in that. Yeah, what you doing?
That was one of three. That was one of three of me throwing myself in front of a car and nearly getting run over, and it being my fault. Woo! Two more.
Going in, back in that bag where I'm going again.
I'm dunking on them, just lower the rim. Free my, it's all in a pen. I hit it once, I'ma hit it again. She with me, you know she a 10. She a Barbie, you know I'm a Ken. Rolling some dope, sipping some gin. It's always been nuts, it never was them. Back in my bag, they know it's a gem.
Tell them to watch it, now I ain't talking my pockets, just know we ain't running out the way that we stock it. If I got it, you got it. If I call it, she slide and tell her to mop it. Yeah, I got that on. Damn, she took that thing off and bring it around. Going at it till I'm on. Put that 90 in a hole, I'm beating it down. I'm back in that bag again. Whoa, whoa. Oh, say less. I'm back in that bag again. Yeah, yeah. Oh, say less. I'm back in that. Yeah. What you doing? Yeah, yeah. I'm back in that. Hey, where you going? Hey.
Those are super cool. I've only seen like a few of them and actually got them, but to see one and it be right-hand drive, super cool. It's starting to get hot. There's a lot of Hondas. There's very few not Hondas. I'm the only Subaru guy here. It's okay, we got the CRX in the garage. Don't get it twisted. We out here, we're supporting car culture. That's what we do. Whew. Definitely smash the like. Subscribe if you're not, because 90% of y'all aren't subscribed, and you need to get these rollers. You need to be able to find them. So smash the subscribe, you find the rollers. passenger door's open. It looks open. There you go. Hey. This is like a mini The Honda meet. It's awesome, except there's more than just Hondas here. So it's like, I'd say it's 95% Hondas, 5% everything else. Sorry.
You're good, brother.
Woo! It's official. I'm not the only Subaru. Woo! But check it out. He's a stance boy. That's okay. I like it. It's clean. Definitely a super sick GC 2.5 RS. And he's out here. It's pretty clean. It doesn't have as many rock chips as my hood has, so it's doing better than me. All right, so for me, this S2K stands out a lot. It's super clean. I got him on the roll-in. It's not a hot boy. It's got great fitment. Check out these wheels. Boom. That's tight fitment. I'm not sure what the story is. I don't know what the deal is, but it's got like wide on the back, stock on the front. I don't know what the story is, but it looks super clean and I like it. So never heard of these wheels. I don't know. Super clean still. It says the power of dreams on his license plate. And I would say he fulfilled that. Woo! Epic clean. Like, for being that low and being this clean, that's like, they don't usually go together, but well done. He's got the Acura bits for the steering wheel. That's pretty cool. He's got, I don't know what specific carbon fiber that is, but I like that design, so. Anyways, it was nice meeting you, brother. Be along for the ride. We might as well just be inside the back seat enjoying Nissan life. Woo. Very nice. The pop-ups, everything. Woo. Cheers. What a beautiful day to have a car meet in San Diego. Start early before the heat gets going. It's already a great turnout. Super diverse community of Hondas. And then a lot of other cars decided to show up too, so that's always cool. But if you're not already, definitely subscribe. Make sure to take action, stay motivated, get out of there, support your local car meet, do something that drives you, whatever that is, whether it's jumping out of an airplane or filming cars at a high rate of speed like myself. Make sure to take action, stay motivated, and I will see you on the next one. Peace.